Hi everybody, this is Ethan White, and this is the ad that really spoke to me. I feel like I don't see a lot of ads that spoke to me, that speak to me, or that really capture me and engage me. But this one told my story, and this is how my story starts every morning. That's
Oh!
You awake?
Yeah, of course I'm awake. Is that a new mask?
Oh, yeah.
I love it. It's really creepy.
I know, right?
Yeah, good stuff.
Thanks.
So yeah, that's how it is. And after seeing the first moments, the first 5 seconds, I had to keep watching just because that is so clearly what happens to me every day, and I feel like it just kind of played on my emotions because because of how clearly it reflects what my day is like, and I think a lot of dads. Um, so this I found this in an article about dadvertising, and it's a new trend that's targeting dads, and it's mostly showing dads as a different role than it's shown dads in the past. So their place in the family is showing more interaction, more, I guess, empathy and emotion and emotional relationship with their kids. More caretaking, more participatory in the family rather than the traditional roles that kind of been around since the 50s or even before that. So yeah, that's what I really related to, and the whole ad is just amazing, and I'll play.
Hey, let me introduce myself. My name is, and proud of it, and all dads should be. Why? You know why. Kids think we're awesome. We get our hands messy. We tell hilarious jokes.
This was the other part that really hit me, is that um, that I being a dad, the most fun thing is thinking about your kids growing up and you getting to be a kid all over again with them, and it looks like you're just helping out and taking care of your kids and doing what you should do, but it's like you get to be a kid again. And I think that's what I really look forward to, and that's how I want to spend my time. So again, that's why this ad really got me. And the ad is for Cheerios, um, which I eat Cheerios, but it's mostly just cleaning up after what my kids don't eat or leave left over. It's not. I don't think I really relate to the product, or I don't really relate the content to the product, but maybe subliminally, because the content is so good, and I just watch the content as entertainment. And that's kind of my insight into how they got me, how I related to it, and why I relate to it, um, because it kind of reflects my life experience currently, and his way of dealing with it is somewhat aspirational, and as we go on, it just shows how he juggles it. Often we see the moms doing this, and we're used to that, I guess. The moms juggling the life and juggling the kid life and doing everything. But I'm really excited to be doing that as a dad and identifying. Okay, that's my video.